Video Generator is an AI-powered tool that transforms a single product image or video and ASIN into high-quality multi-scene videos with text animation and background music. With Video Generator, you can create 6 15-second professional video ads within minutes, with no production experience required and at no additional cost that align with your brand identity. You can leverage your videos across Amazon video ad formats including sponsored brands, sponsored TV, and online video. Integrating your videos can help improve discoverability and maintain consistent, professional quality visuals across multiple surfaces. To be eligible for Video Generator, you must be a brand representative or be assigned a reseller role by the brand owner. To access the tool, navigate to Campaign Manager and select your campaign to add a video using the Video Generator. Add your product or ASIN from your catalog, then click Generate. In under 5 minutes, the tool automatically generates 6 videos for you to review. After selecting the video option you prefer, you have the ability to edit by adding brand logos, adjusting the fonts, music, and headlines to match your brand style, and delete, add, and rearrange scenes. Once you've finished your customization, you can save your video to Asset Library and use the asset when creating your campaign. You can regenerate or save as many videos as you'd like. You can also change your ASIN to generate additional videos to be used in your ad campaign. To recap, by using the Ads Video Generator, you can quickly turn your existing product assets into polished, brand-ready videos that enhance consistency and elevate your brands.